In this video, I'm going to explain what are neural networks. This is a neural network. A neural network consists of three parts. The first part is the input. The input is what the user gives, like the letter A or the word hi. Then comes the weights. The input is multiplied by the weights. Then comes the output. After the weights are multiplied by the input, it comes the answer like 60 multiplied by 0.5 is equal to 30. But why didn't I add 30 in the output? This is because the hidden the value is multiplied by an activation value. The activation value can be any formula to to stabilize the value. Like here I'm using tan h. The tan h of 30 is 0.9999 or approximately 1. But then how does a neural network work in an AI? A neural network in an AI like ChatGPT, the output represents something like the output number 1 is H and the output number 2 is I. So it represents hi.